All right, beautiful day for F1, beautiful day to be outside. I feel like I just want to walk over here and just jump outside because it's so beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, listen, a lot of blue sky. You can't go wrong with a cold front here. People have been asking for it for weeks.
I like it.
Finally seasonable. It's not like we got cooler than normal, man, but hey, that dry air, it was nice. It was crisp.
But will it stick around? That's the question.
You know, tomorrow's going to be hot, a little bit of humidity, but a few fronts are on the way, so something to look forward to. We'll start right now with the temperatures out and about. Some 70s and 80s at this hour. We'll cool down to the 50s tonight. We'll show you those lows in a second, but radar completely dry, nothing to track there. And that drier air easier to cool down. Widespread 50s to kick off the work week tomorrow. It's going to be sweater weather in the morning. By the afternoon, though, different story. That drier air easier to heat up. Southerly breeze gusting up to 25 miles per hour. Now we have 90s returning. Our normal highs in the low 80s, so 10 degrees warmer than normal. I have 93 in Austin, 91 Georgetown, 94 in Bastrop. So gusts up to 20 to 25 miles per hour. And with that, in the ongoing drought that we have a high wildfire risk for most of the 15 counties we cover. Very high, just up I-35 and for eastern Texas. So just something to watch there with that elevated wildfire risk. Rain chance minimal through Thursday. Last time we had rain was September 7th, but I think Friday, Saturday, Sunday, there's some sort of isolated, widely scattered possibility of some sort of shower activity. Here's why. First, cold front moves through Tuesday, mostly a dry front, something for eastern Texas, maybe Houston through Louisiana. That front swings through and sort of kind of just stalls in the Gulf, bringing some sort of light showers, but I think this is a little bit overdone in coverage for Thursday. But this next storm system that will move through the Red River Valley, bring in some heavy rain up toward Oklahoma and Dallas. But could this extend and kick up a few more showers? That's where we're seeing that signal, which is good news. Temperatures, yeah, we'll have two fronts, but still staying warmer than normal. Normal high is 81, so mid to upper 80s and a few 90s this week. I'm hoping for highs in the 70s, but I don't see it anytime soon. Good news, though, lows in the 50s tonight, something to look forward to. But tomorrow, from those sweaters to tank tops, highs in the 90s.